Hey guys, I'm showing you this Rodent Repellent Indoor Ultrasonic Pest Repeller and the Mice Repeller plugins. You can also use it for the Squirrel Deterrent, bat removal or attic, garage, RV basement. Use it in the house, barn or warehouse. So I will explain. This is an electric thing, and this is adapter that comes with the global thing, so you can use it in any country with this electric specifications. And this is are the manual. It is pretty much clear. These have different modes that I can show you here. So it have the ultras mode, test mode, mode of trance and everything. uh, so this is the nice thing, like the thing to put it on the ground and to help with it. And this is the electric thing, so I will just put it in the electric and show you. So this is the different one, like say for the test mode is to test the sound, ultras mode is for squirrel and some little big like mouse and things. Then the trance mode is actually for the bats, roaches, spiders thing. And the duo mode is for everything. So this one is a good thing, and you can see the light indication based on the modes. And it also have the light thing, which is a sensor that in the dark, if something comes to the light sensor, see, like in the dark the light will start flashing. So this will also repel some of the animals that is not fond of light and come in the night mode only. So this one only work when there is dark in the room. So even if you press this LED button, this work only when there is the dark. So you press this button, this will not work, but it's a dark, that's why it's working. So it will not work in the light. You put on the dark sensor and the light will work. Hope this is useful and helpful to you.